Hi everyone, this is a simple tutorial about how to get or to have a link on Amazon Associate. So the first thing to do is to go on Google, then type Amazon Associate, then scroll down and click on this link, Affiliate Program Amazon Central. Then click on Sign Up. So you need to fill all these fields. Example, I'll type my full name here. Then this is So you need to write informations about you. We need to change the country. Just say to Morocco. It's still there, yes. Now type the province manually. You need to type also the zip code. Then write your number. So we need to choose the first 3 numbers of your country. For me is this one. Then click on Next. So this video will be on 2 parts. The first part is how to sign up on Amazon Affiliate, or how to get the link of products. So here you need to add your private website, then click Next. You can also type your Facebook page or Instagram page. So choose No to play freely on the So type any number here, because we don't know any of old Associate Store ID. Then which the following describes you. Tell us about the content you create. For example, I make videos for YouTube platform. This is about blogging or content. You can choose any of these. It's from Amazon online search. Let's choose the online search. Then type this code. Then check this one. Then click Finish. Congrats! Now we have an account on Amazon Associate. So let's choose later, because we need to submit the tax information to complete the account creation. Now the second part of this video is how to get a link of products on Amazon store. So click on this link, then go click for example on today's deals, then go and select any of these products. For example, for me I will choose this watch. Then you can go and click on this button to get the link. Now you have the link, copy the link, we will test it. Yes, as you are seeing that this is the link to promote the product on social media as Facebook, YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or any other places you have access or you have a free traffic to promote these products. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on our channel and hit the like button.